Hello everyone, welcome back. In this video, I will show you how to solve this problem on cost sheet. I have written the question here. Let us go to the question. It's quite simple one. Following extract of cost information relates to a commodity A for the half year ending 31st December 2010. Okay, 6 months period. Purchase of raw material is given. Works overhead is given, that is factory overheads. Direct wages, carriage on purchase is given. Then opening stock is given for all the three items: raw material, finished goods, and WIP. Okay, one thing you have to see here is the unit also is given for of finished goods. Okay, that is 1000 ton here. In the closing stock, 2000 ton is given here. So that is the reason you'll see in my cost sheet here, I have drawn two columns. One is for tons quantity, one is for total cost. Okay, now sales of finished good is given here, 3 lakhs. Selling and distribution overhead rupees 1 per ton sold. So we have to find out how much it's sold. So it's saying 16,000 tons were sold during the period. It is not saying how much was actually produced and sold. Okay, it is saying how much was during the period was sold. So that can be different one. Let's see. You are required to ascertain first cost of raw material used, cost of output of the period, cost of sales, net profit, and net profit per ton. So we have to find out how much net profit we have sold in tons also. Okay, so let us do it. Very simple. Let us first find out cost of sales. I have already drawn this cost sheet here so that the time will be less. So starting is always opening stock of raw material. It is 20,000. Then purchase of raw material. How much we purchase? Purchase of raw material is 1,20,000. 1,20,000. Then carriage on purchase is 1440. So if you add this all, we will get 1,41,440. Okay, that is the total. Now less closing stock of raw material is here, 22240. 22240. If you deduct that, raw material used or consumed is raw material used or consumed today 1,19,200. 1,19,200. Okay, so this is how we got raw material used or consumed. Find out is 1,19,200. Now if we add direct wages with it, direct wages, where it is, yeah, it is direct wages 1 lakh, we'll find out the prime cost. So prime cost will be 2,19,200. So boys and girls, we have found out the prime cost. Now with this we will add the works overheads, 48,000. If we add, we will find out your gross factory cost. The gross factory cost will be, let me do it. So your gross factory cost is 2,67,200. Now with this we will add WIP opening, WIP closing to find out the real factory cost. Okay, WIP is 4800, and closing WIP is 16,000. So let me add it. Equals, what is coming? Equals to this plus this. Then factory cost will be this. Alright, equals to this minus this. So 2,56,000 is your factory cost. Sorry, cost of factory cost, or cost of cost of production is not there yet. 2,56,000 is your factory cost. Yes. Now if we add administrative and office overheads, we will get your cost of production or input, but it is not given, so it is 0. So it will be same thing, 2,56,000. Okay, so this is your cost of production. Now cost of production is 2,56,000. The output is given, they are saying produced is 16,000. So I'll write in the output 16,000 output. Okay, Now with this we will add opening stock of fixed goods, finished goods. It is 16,000. 16,000 is finished goods. What is this opening stock in tons? 1,000. Okay, then let's add it, equals to this plus this. How much? 2,70,000. 16 is 17,000. Total 17,000 was there. Then less closing stock of finished goods. Closing stock of finished goods is 32,000 and 2,000. 32,000 and 2,000. So cost of goods sold will be equals to this minus this. 2,40,000. 17 minus 2 is 15,000. So actually sold good is 15,000 only, not 16,000. Sold good is 15,000. Out of 16,000, 1,000 was already there at the beginning, and at the end 2,000 still there. So total sold actually is 15,000. Now we'll add selling and distribution expense. What it says, selling and distribution overhead is ₹1 per ton sold. Not this one. We just found out 15,000 ton is sold, so it will be 15,000 into 1 is 15,000 only. Okay, so if you add it, our cost of sales will be equals to this plus this. 2,55,000 is our cost of sales. Now net profit is not given, but we know sales is given as 3 lakh. So 3 lakh minus 2,55,000 is 45,000 is your net profit. I'll write in balancing figure here. Balancing figure. So boys and girls, we have found out our net profit is 45,000. So net profit per ton will be total profit earned, that is 45,000, divided by 15,000, that is the total produced. Okay, I mean sold, not produced, sold, that is 15,000 total sold. So 45,000 divided by 15,000 is net profit per ton is ₹3 per ton. Okay, so this is how we do. It's a very simple one. You just have to be little attentive and concentrate, and I think that will do. Thank you for watching, and do give us a thumbs up to this video.